posts and how to add the keywords and so forth that will help your post get found on the internet. So we've already done everything we need to do for the basic post. We have the post in, we have selected a category, we have added our images, we have alt tags on the images. We have selected a featured image so that when somebody shares this post on Facebook, this image will come up. And we have also selected our tags. So it seems really good. But if you keep scrolling down, here you go to the Yoast SEO. And this is where you're going to learn to add what helps people find it. So in this particular post, there's a lot of different ways we could do keywords on here, and probably multiple keywords we could use. We could probably pick something out of the tags. We might be able to use a keyword from the category, but I am going to pick the title here, Tea Time in the Orient, as a keyword. Another keyword option would be to use the Art Deco stamp set name, which is exactly what this is. So that's what I picked. I picked Tea Time in the Orient, and I hit return. And so we have the keyword in there. But we also need to edit this snippet. This snippet comes directly, hello everyone, it's the first few words right off the top of the blog post. And I don't think hello everyone is like the snippet you'd necessarily want when somebody is looking for this stamp set. So I am going to actually pick something right out of here. So I'm going to copy this and see how that fits in down here. So we have Tea Time in the Orient. Actually, I'm going to change this. It's going to be Tea Time Stamp Set, because people might be looking for tea time stamps more than Tea Time in the Orient. So Tea Time Stamp Set. I could see somebody Googling that, wanting a Tea Time stamp set. So edit snippet. Don't do anything with the slug, leave that alone. But in the meta description, I'm going to write tea time is Tea Time Stamp Set is from the Tea Time in the Orient stamps from Art Deco. And this card is designed by Holly Brown. Let's see what else she had there. I put way too much in. Let's see, we're not going to worry about that. Let's see what we have, if we have much room here. Tea Time Stamp Set is from Tea Time in the Orient stamps from Art Deco. This card is designed by Holly Brown and includes let's go back up and get the right words, includes green verdigris embossing powder, and that is part of our title tag, our tags for this. So verdigris embossing powder. Let's see if it all fits in here. By golly, it all fits. If you go too far, it'll get into red, and it makes it too long. You want it to fit like that. So if somebody is Googling verdigris embossing powder, this blog post may come up. If they're Googling Holly Brown, it may come up. If they're Googling tea time stamps, it may come up also. So actually I'm going to change this to stamps. Tea time stamps. Because that is a term I think people would actually use. And I'm going to change this a little bit. These tea time stamps are from the Tea Time Tea Time in the Orient stamps. Are from Tea Time in the Orient stamps from Art Deco. This card is designed by Holly Brown and includes verdigris embossing powder. Okay, I'm going to accept this. I think it's okay. The SEO says it's good. Very good. We're going to keep it like that. Don't worry so much about readability. That can kind of be tricky to do, and I don't want you to focus on that. But if it says the SEO is good, that means that it probably is. So that's what I want you to know how to do. You know how to do it.